If you've been struggling with dry, cracked feet or simply want to give your feet the care they deserve, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be reviewing the best foot creams on the market. These products are formulated to hydrate, soften, and nourish your feet, helping you maintain healthy, smooth skin. We're diving into the details of 5 top contenders: Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream, Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Foot Cream, Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream, Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream, and Userin Advanced Repair Foot Cream. Let's get started and find the perfect foot cream for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream. Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is a popular choice for those who love natural ingredients. Known for its rich, hydrating formula, this foot cream promises to deliver intense moisture and leave your feet feeling soft and nourished. Infused with coconut oil and other botanicals, this product is designed to help heal rough, dry feet without being greasy. Whether you're dealing with cracked heels or just need a little pampering, this cream has you covered. Key features: the main highlight of Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is its use of coconut oil, which is known for its deep moisturizing properties. In addition, the formula includes rosemary and peppermint oils, which provide a soothing, refreshing scent and a cooling effect. It's also enriched with shea butter and other natural ingredients, making it suitable for individuals who prefer more eco-friendly products. The cream is free from parabens, phthalates, and petroleum, aligning with Burt's Bees' commitment to natural skincare. Benefits and usage: Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is perfect for anyone dealing with dry, cracked feet. The coconut oil penetrates deep into the skin to restore moisture, while shea butter softens and conditions the skin's surface. To use, simply apply a generous amount to your feet, paying special attention to rough areas like the heels and soles. For best results, use it at night before bed and wear socks to lock in the moisture. You'll wake up to noticeably softer feet. Usability: this foot cream is easy to apply and absorbs fairly quickly, though it may leave a slight residue due to its rich formula. However, this makes it ideal for use before bed as it allows the product to work overnight. The coconut scent is subtle, and the cream provides a nice, cooling sensation upon application, making it perfect for a relaxing foot care routine. It's ideal for those with dry to very dry feet, and a little goes a long way. Durability: Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream has excellent longevity. With regular use, you'll notice smoother, more hydrated feet within a few days. The 4.34 ounces tube may last quite a while, especially since only a small amount is needed for each application. While it's designed for deep hydration, the cream is gentle enough for daily use, and you can expect it to maintain your feet's softness as long as you continue to use it regularly. In the second spot, we have Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Foot Cream. Neutrogena's Norwegian Formula Foot Cream is designed specifically to tackle extreme dryness, making it an excellent option for people who have severely dry or cracked feet. With its high glycerin content, it works to restore moisture and protect the skin. This foot cream is often recommended by dermatologists due to its potent hydrating effect, especially for those with skin that is difficult to keep moisturized. Key features: the key feature of this foot cream is its glycerin-based formula, which draws moisture to the skin and helps it retain hydration. Neutrogena's Norwegian formula is known for its concentrated texture, meaning that just a small amount provides intense moisture. The formula is also free from fragrance, making it a good option for those with sensitive skin or fragrance allergies. Additionally, it's clinically proven to provide lasting relief for even the driest feet. Benefits and usage: Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Foot Cream is ideal for individuals who struggle with cracked heels, calluses, or rough patches. Glycerin helps the skin retain moisture, while the rich texture of the cream ensures it deeply nourishes even the driest feet. To use, apply a small amount to your feet and massage it in. This foot cream works best when applied to damp feet after a shower or bath to lock in moisture. For best results, apply it before bed and wear socks overnight. Usability: the cream has a rich, thick consistency but absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's highly concentrated, so only a small amount is needed to cover the feet, making the 2 ounces tube a good value. The absence of fragrance makes it a great choice for those sensitive to strong scents. It's gentle yet highly effective and works well for people with chronic dryness or those who spend long hours on their feet. Durability: Neutrogena Norwegian Formula Foot Cream provides long-lasting moisture and is ideal for treating extreme dryness. A little goes a long way, and with regular use, it will keep your feet soft and smooth for an extended period. Users can expect lasting effects from just one application, though continued use is necessary to maintain the softness. The tube size is compact, making it easy to carry with you for on-the-go use. Coming in at number 3 is the Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream. Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream is a favorite for those seeking relief from dry, rough feet. Known for its softening and smoothing properties, this foot cream is formulated with a blend of shea butter and other nourishing ingredients that work together to provide intense hydration. Whether you suffer from cracked heels or just need some extra moisture, this foot cream promises to leave your feet feeling soft and rejuvenated. Key features: Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream contains a combination of ingredients like shea butter, aloe, and vitamin E, which help to soften and hydrate the skin. This product also contains a special blend of moisturizers that penetrate deep into the skin to provide lasting relief. The formula is designed for intense hydration and provides noticeable results after just one application. It's also non-greasy, which is a big plus for those who don't like heavy creams. Benefits and usage: this foot cream is great for people with extremely dry feet or those who want to keep their feet soft and smooth. The shea butter helps to restore moisture, while aloe and vitamin E calm and nourish the skin. To use, apply a generous amount of the cream to your feet, focusing on areas that are particularly dry, such as the heels and soles. For best results, use daily after a shower or bath to lock in moisture. Usability: Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream has a pleasant, light fragrance that isn't overpowering. The texture is rich but absorbs quickly, making it ideal for use both during the day and at night. It's not greasy, so you can use it without worrying about leaving marks on your clothes or bedding. It works well for daily use and is gentle enough for sensitive skin, though it's especially beneficial for those with rough, dry feet. Durability: the effects of Gold Bond Ultimate Softening Foot Cream are long-lasting, and with regular use, your feet will feel soft and hydrated all day. The 4 ounces tube will last a while, as only a small amount is needed each time. Continued use will keep your feet feeling smooth, and the cream is great for maintaining healthy feet during the colder months when skin tends to dry out more. Taking our 4th spot is a Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream. Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream is a luxurious foot cream that combines the moisturizing power of shea butter with a blend of essential oils to deeply nourish and soften your feet. This high-quality cream is designed to provide relief to even the driest feet, leaving them feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. It's perfect for those looking for a pampering experience with a rich, comforting texture. Key features: the key ingredient in Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream is, of course, shea butter. Shea butter is known for its deeply hydrating and healing properties, making it ideal for dry, rough feet. Additionally, the cream contains lavender essential oil, which not only has a soothing scent but also helps to relax tired feet. The formula is rich and creamy, providing intense moisture without feeling greasy. Benefits and usage: Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream is perfect for those with dry, cracked feet. Shea butter helps to hydrate and restore moisture, while lavender oil soothes and refreshes tired feet. To use, apply a generous amount of the cream to your feet and massage it in, focusing on rough areas. For a more intense treatment, apply before bed and wear socks overnight to lock in moisture. Usability: this foot cream has a luxurious, creamy texture that absorbs well into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. The scent is soothing and calming, making it ideal for use before bed. The 3.5 ounces tube is compact and easy to use, and the rich formula ensures that a little goes a long way. It's perfect for a spa-like experience at home, and the lavender scent adds an extra touch of relaxation to your foot care routine. Durability: Loxitane Shea Butter Foot Cream offers long-lasting hydration and softening effects. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the softness and smoothness of your feet. The 3.5 ounces tube is small enough for travel, but the rich formula ensures that it lasts a long time, making it a good value for the price. With continued use, your feet will stay nourished and hydrated. And finally, at number 5, we have Userin Advanced Repair Foot Cream. Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream is a dermatologist-recommended foot cream that promises to provide lasting moisture for very dry, rough feet. Known for its highly effective formula, this foot cream contains both ceramides and natural moisturizers to deeply hydrate and restore the skin's barrier. Whether you're dealing with cracked heels or rough soles, this product is designed to deliver intensive moisture and relief. Key features: Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream is formulated with ceramides, which are lipids that help repair the skin's natural barrier and lock in moisture. The formula also includes urea, an ingredient that helps to exfoliate dry skin while keeping it hydrated. This foot cream is free from fragrances and dyes, making it a great choice for sensitive skin. It's also fast absorbing, so you won't be left with greasy residue. Benefits and usage: Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream is perfect for individuals with very dry or cracked feet. It works by restoring the skin's moisture balance, helping to repair dry, damaged skin. To use, apply a generous amount to clean, dry feet and massage it in, focusing on rough patches. It's recommended for daily use, especially after a shower or bath when the skin is still damp to lock in hydration. Usability: this foot cream has a thick, rich consistency but absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. It's fragrance-free, which makes it a great option for people with sensitive skin or fragrance allergies. The 3 ounces tube is easy to use and travel-friendly, and the concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. It's gentle yet effective, providing long-lasting relief from dryness and cracking. Durability: Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream provides long-lasting hydration, and users can expect to see improvement in the condition of their feet after just a few days of use. The 3 ounces tube may last for several weeks, as you only need a small amount for each application. The cream continues to provide relief and softening effects with continued use, helping to maintain healthy, smooth feet. And that's a wrap on our review of the top 5 best foot creams. Whether you're looking to hydrate dry feet, soften calluses, or simply indulge in a bit of pampering, these creams have got you covered. Be sure to check out the options that best suit your needs and give your feet the care they deserve. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, soft, healthy feet are just a cream away.